Book title: The Religion of Serving Others and Its Framework. Is there a model for expanding oneself? Today, most of us in society have restricted others to our own small world. All our activities are therefore focused mostly at self advancement, happiness, and gains only, and we think whatever we can procure should be used for it, that so our situation continues to be joyful. Doesn't really matter what state the other peoples around us are in. This is called selfishness. But when this definition of self expands, there is a feeling of working for others and a beautiful journey of working for others starts. The more a person involves, the more such a person feels the pains of others, and slowly and gradually, one starts doing more and more for others. Interestingly, such a person feels much more happy than a person who is working just for a restricted definition of self. Glad to present a small 63-page book that speaks about how one can serve others and why serving others is the greatest religion. Book excerpts. It is of more importance to support the victim than eliminating the cause of harassment, because eliminating the cause will still take time. But till then, the victim cannot be left alone to suffer. The entire process of cultural evolution is the result of thought revolution. It has led to a phenomenal awareness amongst the people in the entire world and is known in Renaissance in global history. In the modern era, the great personalities and social reformers like Leo Tolstoy, Lord Baron Powell, Elizabeth Fry, Margaret Sanger, Harriet Stowe, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Mahatma Gandhi, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Vinoba, Hridaynath Kanjuro realized the vision of social reformation only through thought revolution. During the time of such world crisis, each intellectual who is mindful of their responsibilities should work towards the spread of wisdom, uplifting literatures. It will act as a great campaign for the welfare and upliftment of humanity. Music has been popular in masses. It can touch people's core and alter their way of being. Timely and well organized musical discourses can work as emotional upliftment of the entire society, like it was done in past by the great Indian saints Kabir, Mirabai, and Tulsidas. Chapters covered in the book: the necessity and the framework of being of service to the others, the form and causes of social challenges, the vast form of the religion of service, the practical aspects of thought transformation literature.